Hi everyone, Gene here with Master Graphics, and we just received our Ultimaker Metal Expansion Kit. And I'd like to go over what's included in that kit. The kit retails for $6.99, and it includes a 1 kilogram spool of BASF UltraFuse 17.4 pH filament. It includes a little booklet of what's included in the kit. It includes a CC print core, which is used for the BASF filament. Along with that, we have our cleaning strips. The cleaning strips are used after each build, and what they ensure is that you have the proper flow of the filament through the print core as it's building your part. We have some print core silicone covers that fit inside the Ultimaker printer, and it protects the print core as it's printing. We also have a glue stick, and what the glue stick is for is you would apply the glue stick to the glass build plate. This ensures that the part will adhere to the build plate as the part's being built. It also includes a release tray. And what the release tray is for is once your part is done or finished building, you would take the glass plate out of the Ultimaker printer and you would place it in this tray along with some water. The water will help release the part from the glass tray. And you also will receive a digital coupon for sintering. A company called DSH is doing the sintering. They're in partnership with Ultimaker and BASF. And inside the filament box, you'll receive a sheet of bubble wrap to wrap the part in. Remember, when the parts come off the Ultimaker, they're considered green parts before they're sintered. So what you'd want to do is you'd want to wrap the parts in the bubble wrap securely and place them in a box so that there's no room for movement before shipping it off to be sintered. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-873-7238, and have a great day.